Hey guys, it's Marlon with Cypress and Peterson. Today we have a custom build. The customer bought this unit about 3 years ago. It had an i7 processor, a 970 GTX. He upgraded to the 2070 RTX. This is a turbo edition. It's got a nice LED strip on it. You got the liquid cooler now because he's running the i9 processor. 8 cores, 16 threads. We talked about this processor on a previous video. This customer kept his power supply and he had a solid state drive, so he didn't need to upgrade on that. However, we had to jump onto DDR4 for the RAM. Now everything's running properly. We're going to do some tests. We had to take out the top fan that it had on the case, and this is the dust. You have to clean this out, guys. We recommend doing this every time you change your AC filters in the house. Please blow it off. Just take it outside, buy a can of air. We have those in stock if you have any questions on those. That's the i9 running over there on the BIOS. We're going to do some tweaks and make sure that everything's running properly. If you have any questions on any other builds, please give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.